In this customer case study, I will present how we have combined a matrix stamp with a stamp using action group, and how we have merged several standard stamps into one large stamp. First, I will give a quick view on the stamp and the files used in the stamp definition and the skin file. Then I will present the stamps in Diva Portal. By using stamps for a while, we have recognized how powerful and efficient this technology are to display measures. With several ways to define time values, we came in a situation where it was difficult for the end user to find the right stamp. To solve that challenge, we took several stamps, several standard defined stamps, and merged them into one larger stamp with different time values: day, week, month, and year. That solved the one issue, but created a new one. Should we have a one page for each measure? The solution to this issue was that we took a standard executive multi-value matrix and combined those two stamps with action group in Diva Portal. We made the matrix stamp so we easily could choose a measure to analyze by using the alerts: year to completed month and last completed week. When picking a measure, we can see the development for the last days, last week, last month, and last year. All measures have also defined a quick action for further analysis. From a developer's view, the first file is a part of the executive matrix stamp, where we have added in a second alert. So the users can see alerts for year to completed month and last completed week. The second file are the single measure stamp, which is built by using several standard stamps, sliders, line charts, indicators, and alerts, and then merged together in a larger stamp. The biggest part of the job was actually to count pixels top left to get the component in the right place. For color and fonts, we have used the standard DX skin file and complemented the file with some own definitions. And now a quick look into our Diva Portal. I will now show you a measure in amount. Labeling, which is a fee we take for labeling goods for our customers. When our users use this measure or measures, they can choose a region or they can choose a department. In the stamp, they can find information from yesterday against previous day, the last 7 days, last completed week against previous week, last completed month against previous month, last completed month against last year's same month, a line for year against last year, year to completed month against previous year to completed month, rolling 12 months against last 12 months, and at last 12 months versus previous 12 months. When I see at this line, I can see a big drop from May to June this year. And when I take a dive into this month, I can choose different available dimensions, in this case the customer, and I can do some sorting on and then I will find out that the drop is explained by two large credit amounts. So I hope this gives you a picture of how we use these stamps.